We're going to end this last part of 7a, the first half of chapter 7, by thinking about this question. So when would it be important to act without thinking? Now, I'm not just talking about doing something rash or something hasty, or you see someone drowning in a river and you jump in and you grab them. In that case, you actually are thinking. You're thinking to yourself, hey, I should save that person. I know how to swim. Or, hey, let me make sure I take my phone out of my pocket and put it off to the side so I don't mess up my cell phone. Those are all thoughts that you're having. When I say without thinking, I mean without the involvement of your actual brain, as opposed to without some sort of planning or forethought. So this is where our reflexes come into play. So reflexes are rapid, predictable, involuntary responses. They occur over neural connections called reflex arcs. And they can either be somatic, where they'll stimulate a skeletal muscle, or autonomic, where they stimulate a smooth or cardiac muscle or a gland. So think about things that happen that are rapid, predictable, involuntary. You touch a hot stove by accident, you're going to move your hand away before your brain even registers, ow, that's a hot stove. That is how rapid it is. Or you are hungry and you smell an apple pie. Your mouth is going to start salivating without you even thinking, oh my gosh, I would love some apple pie. That is predictable. These are rapid, predictable, involuntary responses. So let's think about the basic reflex arc. You're going to have an effector in your skin, or a receptor in your skin that's going to sense something. It'll send it along a sensory nerve, which will go to your spinal cord. And what makes them so rapid, what makes it so rapid, and what makes it without thinking is that your spinal cord acts as the integration center. For reflexes, the thinking happens before it reaches your brain. It happens in your spinal cord. So you touch something that's hot, your body goes, oh my gosh, that is a hot stove, danger, danger, danger. And your spinal cord goes, you know what? I'm going to make the executive decision here. We're going to act. I'll let the brain know what we're doing. And your spinal cord will be the one to send the information down a motor neuron to the effector, move the hand. And then it will say, brain, by the way, that's a hot stove. So that's why when you touch the hot stove, you move your hand away and then think, oh my gosh, that's a hot stove. Or if you prick your finger, oh my gosh, that was sharp. So reflexes, they're predictable and they're rapid because the integration happens at the spinal cord. The simple reflex arc is the one we're going to focus on. Again, they have those two neurons, the afferent neuron and the efferent neuron. And the classic example is the patellar arc. They hit that little spot right below your patella and your leg kicks out without you even thinking about it.